What's up, everyone? Today is March 10th, 2025, and I just got a package from Fueltech. Well, two packages. Bet you can't guess what's inside the boxes. I'm just driving back to the shop. I'll do a little unboxing video. These are two Fueltech 700s, not the Plus, just the regular 700s. We got one for our shop race car and for another race car. Gonna unbox mine, take a look at it, power it up, and kind of run through a couple of the functions so that you guys can see what the Fueltech 700 kind of has in store. Well, here we are. We just made it back to the shop after chasing down the UPS guy. Big ups to UPS. They always bring me all the good shit. We're gonna bring these inside. We're gonna unbox one. Probably unbox this one. Make sure there's no damage. I doubt it. I mean, it's packaged pretty good, but little hole in the box, you never know. Bringing them inside, take a video of them, and we'll go from there. All right, so we finally got this thing inside. We're gonna open it up. FT700 without harness, without multimedia harness. I actually bought the multimedia harness, but must be in the other box. Comes with your standard vacuum line, which we also sell on the website. FT700. The rest of the box is just some packaging supplies. All right, let's see what we got. I'm gonna break this open. Damn it, I scratched the box. It's all right. Where we're going, we don't need the box. A badass box for a badass computer. All right, this thing's packaged up real nice. Oh wow, look at this. Man, that's some VIP stuff right here. Look at that. I hope they send me the passcode and be able to open it, right? That's pretty cool. That is really cool. It locks into here and then you go. Yeah, Fueltech really outdid themselves on this one. I like this. This is my new backpack. Opened it upside down. All right. Wow, this thing comes nice plastic tote. Let's see. There's the Fueltech 700. They give you a welcome booklet. This backpack has a USB port on the side. Bro, I'm actually excited about the backpack. All right. We'll open it up. We'll open it up. Cool little packaging. Inside of here, mounting hardware. That's badass. That's going on the car. Nuts, bolts for mounting. The antenna cable for the GPS. USB adapter. And then your USB-C to USB-C cord. Because now this ECU is all USB-C from what I hear. Nice heavy unit. It is actually pretty cool. Comes with a USB-C in the front. Not sure what that one is. Has all its LEDs on the outside. A, B, C, D. These are like the 600, and then these here, I take it they're like the 550, 450 connectors. And then there's your multimedia port. Your map sensor is still in the same spot. And then this is for your GPS antenna. Cool. I'll light it up and show you guys what it looks like in a minute. Thank you for watching so far. All right, we're gonna power it on for the first time. It has USB-C in the front. I don't know what this is yet. I'm gonna have to, maybe it's a microphone or a speaker or something. I'll have to look at the diagram. I bought the multimedia harness because y'all know how I am. I'm gonna add cameras, I'm gonna add speakers, I'm gonna add microphones. It gives you all the options, which is really cool. I like it. I like it a lot. They did a really good job with the little harness. It has a USB-C in the rear. It also has Wi-Fi connectivity, from what I'm gathering. Have not tried it yet, but I will in a second. I use a regular mounting USB brick for my laptop to power it on. And here's first glance. Lights all power up, fires up. Something's blinking in that corner. I guess it's done blinking. All right, default map open. Coming soon. Features will be available. 3-step, burnout mode, delay box, dial board, pro nitrous, throttle stop, time-based ETC limit, engine setup, idle actuator, ignition energy. All right, don't show again. All right, here we are, right in the main screen. I know you can pull it left and right for interface and whatever. There's all your gauges. This one is going to be data view for your data log. That's really cool. And then this is like favorites maybe. I wonder if it still has a game. Let's find out. Yeah, doesn't look like there's a game, but this shit isn't to play games anyway. So yeah, looks pretty cool. I'm gonna connect to it, load a map, and go from there. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty cool so far. And guys, not for nothing, this backpack is fucking badass. Has a look right here. It even says Fueltech on the inside lining. Has a USB port. You open it up. It has a regular USB and a USB-C to boot. Nice hard case. It comes with, I don't know if the key's in there. I'm gonna have to look around. But you know, you lock it. Everything comes apart. Now you can open it. Has a spot, you know, to charge, let's say your phone or whatever. Has a pocket on the inside. It all comes apart, opens. It's pretty cool. Has pockets here, pockets there, pockets in the back. Put your laptop in, you know. So they give you a laptop bag to walk around the track with. Really, really cool. I like the features of the bag a lot, so I figured I'd outline that for you guys. Yeah, badass. Get yourself a 700. Definitely worth it. So far so good. So I fought a little bit with the connection. I thought that, you know, you get something in the mail and you're so excited you don't stop to think, like, let me read some instructions before I hook it up. I know what I'm doing. Plugged it in. It wouldn't connect. I'm losing my mind. Literally, I messaged Garrett from Fueltech, and he was like, I'll send you a link. Well, my buddy Leo was here. As I walked away, he was like, let me read. So he did some reading, and it says right here, the rear USB port was developed for connecting an external modem, flash drive, or external hard drive. To read and write map and data logs, it is necessary to connect to the front USB port. So always use this one. The real one is what I'm using to power it, and I guess it's just for data transfer, not so much for the ECU. So we got past that, hooked it up to Wi-Fi, so now it's, you know, this is the USB we used, whatever. If I go to, there's a remote session going on here. If I go to the Vision software, I'm still connected. It's green. You know, if I want to write to VCU, I can write the map. Boom, it's in the computer, ready to go. So for anybody that does exactly what I did, hopefully this video suits a little bit of a purpose for you, and you can, you know, get right into the computer and start messing around with it right away. Other than that, all the functions, the functionality, the touch screen is great. I love the way it works. You know, you hit your drag race features. If you want to turn anything on, you know, like burnout mode, you hold it, slide it to the right. Come on, girl. Slide it to the right. Your burnout mode will turn on. Now you have your burnout mode. Any of the modes that you want or you don't want, you can do it right from the VCU, like, you know, your two-step limiter. You know, same thing. Slide it over. Two-step limiter opens up, and it should come up. And now you have all your stuff here. You know, you want to move back and forth, set up your two-step, ignition cut, ready to go. And it also has this help function. It gives you all the info for that function. Works really, really well. You know, that's it. I mean, nice ECU. They did a great job with the cases. I'm actually going to make cases that fit around here, that will fit in your, per se, EG cluster, EK cluster, if there's enough room. I'm going to make it for all different types. I already made a bracket that bolts to these four, and it goes right on the, you know, on the steering column like we did before. I have a bunch of different mounting options that will be coming. Just keep an eye out for them on Dela Cruz Motorsports website. It's delacruzmotorsports.com. Thank you very much, guys. So what's up, everyone? I've been unboxing, playing with the Fueltech, you know, back forth, this, that. I got a buddy's car here, my buddy Tommy. Always has like a starter issue, whatever. But I stuck the Fueltech in it because he has a Fueltech 600. Literally plug and play. I just plugged in the A and the B plug. Obviously, the C and the D plug don't have anything to it because his car is just a 600. So I'm gonna start this bad boy up. Let me see if I can flip this camera because my phone won't let me now. This is great. I love my iPhone. So I got it flipped around over here. Turn the key to the on position. It's exciting. It almost fits in an EG. I mean, it's kind of big. We'll have to figure out some stuff for some mounts, which we're going to be doing. Here's the cluster. And there's the starter issue. I tell you, every time. Anyway, it fired up. I'm excited about that. Let's see if we can see some vitals. Yeah, there's your TPS. It's working. But you get the gist though, guys. Plugged in and started right up.